Hi, welcome to Don's workshop. Today we're going to do the second part of Majisto's magical workshop. So this is what we left off last time, first floor, and let's get into the second floor. Okay, we're sorted, and let's continue. stickers. This is where these stickers go. They are the shutters. Let's see if I can get that on there. I got lots of them to try with, so. There we go. Okay, well, that's the workshop all done. Let's see what's inside. So this little lock is put on. Open her up. Got the map. Got the little glasses over there. Got a little pot over here. The ladder. Got the treasure chest. Open up that. Yeah, there we go. Majisto. Stand in there. Oh, can he stand in there too and close it? Yep, there we go. Now they're inside and you can lock it up. That. So this was a pretty fun little build. Stickers that I saw at the start when I opened it up. The one set of stickers was all stuck to the book, all destroyed, but they sent 2 additional sets of stickers, so no problem there. No problem there at all. So that's pretty good. Yeah, nice little build, a little display set. I guess you could combine a few, maybe make a interesting mock, but it's a gift. It was a gift with purchase around Black Friday. Anyway, if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.